Hi. And in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to transform your Primavera P6 or MS project schedule into actionable insights using nahla.ai. No complex setup, no installation, just drag, drop, and discover. Let's start by uploading your schedule file. It supports XER files from Primavera P6, XML from MS Project, and Excel spreadsheets, up to 500 megabytes. Simply drag and drop your file here, or click to browse. I'm uploading a sample construction project schedule. Watch the progress bar. Most files process in under a minute. Larger schedules with 50,000 plus activities may take a few minutes. Once uploaded, you'll see the main dashboard. Notice the 4 tabs at the top: Dashboard, Analytics, Schedule, and Resource. The Dashboard tab gives you the big picture. Project progress shows your actual versus planned completion. Task statistics breaks down completed, in progress, and delayed tasks. CPI and SPI tell you if you're on budget and schedule. Let me show you the key metrics in the ribbon at the top. Click on Analytics to see the earned value chart with PV, EV, and AC curves. The Schedule tab shows your 2-week look-ahead and schedule diagnostics. This is your DCMA 14-point analysis. And the Resource tab displays manpower histograms and resource allocation. Now here's where Nahla really shines, the AI Analysis page. Click AI Analysis in the navigation. Ask questions in plain English. Let me type. Schedule risks from delayed tasks. Cost risks from CPI below 1.0. Critical path activities that need attention. You can ask follow-up questions like, show me the critical path, show delayed tasks, show progress by WBS. The AI generates charts and tables right in the response. Finally, let's share your insights with stakeholders. Click Report Preview. Select the charts you want to include from each tab. You can upload your company logo here. Click Generate Shareable Link. Nahla creates a secure URL that anyone can view without logging in. Copy this link and send it to your team, executives, or clients. They'll see an interactive report with all 4 tabs. That's it. In just 5 minutes, you've uploaded your schedule, explored the dashboard, asked AI questions, and generated a shareable report. Visit nahla.ai to try it with your own project file.